I can't believe you didn't invite me to the party last night.
I didn't think you'd be interested. It was just a small get-together.
Small get-together? I saw the pictures on social media. It looked like a blast.
Well, sorry for not inviting you, but it wasn't a big deal.
Not a big deal? We're supposed to be friends, and you exclude me from things?
I didn't intentionally exclude you. It was spontaneous, and I didn't think it would matter.
Spontaneous or not, it hurts to see you having fun without even considering me.
Look, I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. Let's not blow this out of proportion.
It's not just about the party. I feel like you've been distant lately.
Distant. I've been busy, but that doesn't mean I'm not your friend.
It's not just about being busy. It's about making an effort, and I don't feel that from you.
Fine, maybe I could have done better. Let's talk about how we can fix this.
It's not about fixing, it's about you being a better friend.
I hear you, and I'll try. But don't make it seem like I intentionally hurt you.
I just want our friendship to mean as much to you as it does to me.
It does, and I'll work on showing that.